Hello everyone, today I'm showcasing TRS4R3N Sentinel AI, a lightweight but powerful SOC behavioral engine I developed in C++ in an era where signature-based detection is no longer enough. This tool focuses on behavioral patterns and adversary tactics. The core engine and MITRE Mapping. The heart of system is the correlation engine. Instead of just displaying raw event IDs, Sentinel AI hooks into the Windows event subsystem and seismic to map activate directly to the MITRE ATT&CK framework, whatever it's a brute force attempt, LSS dumping, or suspicious scheduled tasks. Every event is categorized with its specific MITRE technique, ID, and risk weights. AI risk logic smart stacking. One of the unique features here is the heuristic AI logic. The system doesn't just look at isolated events, it tracks attack chains. If the engine detects multiple high-risk activities in a short window, it applies a risk multiplier, alerting you to a coordinated attack. To keep the UI clean, I implemented smart stacking, which groups identical events into a single actionable line with a real-time content. Network Intelligence, Geolocation, IP, but visibility doesn't stop at logs. Sentinel AI includes a network threat map. It monitors active TCP connection and performs on-the-fly Geo-IP lookups. If a system process suddenly starts communicating with a remote IP outside your local network, it's flagged immediately. This is exfiltration or commands and control traffic completion. Sentinel AI is designed for speed, visibility, and zero dependency deployment. Is a tool built by a researcher for researchers. Check out source code on my GitHub, and thanks for watching.